everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and today I'm going to be doing a video overviewing the new Natasha Denona Holiday Collection. This collection was pretty edited, but it had a good amount of things for me to be able to do a full face using. So of course we have a mini palette, and this one is the mini Zendo palette, and I love the name Zendo. Let's just say that. And maybe it's the nostalgic portion of me jumping out, but it just reminds me of Xenon, you know, from Disney Channel. Y'all remember that? Zoom, 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 make my body go boom, boom. Or it wasn't make my heart go, make my heart go boom, boom. That would make more sense. Yeah, I think it's heart. Anyways, let me know. Because I feel like if they say a body, it would kind of be inappropriate. But hey, who knows? It was the 90s. We have the I Need a Glow highlighter, and we have two I Need a Nude lipsticks. I'm excited about it. Let's go ahead and jump into it. I'll talk details as I'm using the products, and then at the end of the video, I'll let you guys know my final thoughts. And following that will be swatches of these products. So I hope that you all enjoy. So I'm going to take a Chica Hodo Z11 and the shade Uncovered. Let's go in with that above my crease as my transition, so just back and forth. Ooh. Okay, Uncovered. We are off to a great start. So I'm just going to fluff this out, make sure that it's nice and blended, but that's it. Next, I'm going to go in with Stark and pop that right on the outer corner and then blend it up around towards the transition shade. I'm just going to pack this on too and begin to blend it over on the lid. I'm not going to take it too much in the crease because I don't want this look to be just super, super dark. But I do want to make sure that this color is blended up towards that transition color so it's no harsh lines. I'm going to dip into this shade with the Chica Hodo Z5 brush. And I want this to be my lid shade. Ooh, that is very, very pretty. And then I'm going to take that up towards that transition shade as well. Easy peasy. See, and this brush is a little bit bigger too, so I can just go boop and pop that on, and I don't have to play. I can just get what I got to get done. Boom. Now that's super pretty. I am here for this eye look, okay? And I'm not even done yet. I'm gonna go into strips. That's gonna be my inner tear duct color. This one is a Royal Elaine Nickel BOM 435. Yes. And on the rest, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, kind of tight in the center. And then drag it over a little bit. And then I'm going to go back with this shade right here and then tie it all together. Nice. And with the clean blending brush, I'm going to pick up just a little bit of that soft pink shade and then lightly go over everything as a means to soften the edges. Beautiful. Okay, so let me go ahead and add liner and lashes, and I'll be right back and we can try on the highlighter and the lips. All right, so I got some things together. In the words of Olivia Pope, it's handled. So lashes, liner, bronzer, it's done. Now let's get into this highlight. I'm excited to be using it again because I've already used it before. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Let me just go ahead and get into it, okay? Okay. Now look at that. Now look at that. Now I must admit that you do have to somewhat dig at first to get it going. But once you do, oh, it's so pretty. I love a very pale gold highlight because it means it can go with any undertone look that I'm going for, and it has just a slight hint of gold to it, so it's not going to read too cool toned. So I'm here for it, and it's smooth. I wonder when Natasha Denona is going to give us single pan blushes. That's what I want to know. Anywho, two lip colors. Let's get into it. Let's go in with the lighter one first. And that one is Maria. The name Maria is very special to my family. My family heirloom name is Maria or Marie. My great grandmom's name was Marie. So everybody kind of has a variation of that in their name, with the exception of me and my sister for the most part. So let me go ahead and add Maria. Okay, Maria's light, but I like Maria because this looks different enough from my complexion. I personally would not wear this lipstick by itself, but with a lip liner, it would look beautiful in a lip combination. But I like tones like this on me because it looks a little bit different than my complexion, so it pops more. If it were a little bit darker, I would say it looks like concealer on me. And I don't like that tone because it doesn't vary enough. So this one is a really pretty, neutrally pink type neutral lipstick. Let me try to darken it up for real. See that? Maria with a little bit of chestnut in there. Add some gloss, honey. And Maria is the ish. Told y'all. This is a pretty neutral color. I really, really like colors like this in lip combinations. But if you want to wear it by yourself and you're my complexion, whatever floats your boat is alright with me. But me personally, I would zhuzh it up and I would love it. But it's really pretty. Next, we have a darker one in the shade Andrea. And this one looks like it's a little bit more peachy. So it's still light, but the undertone is a little bit different. And I will show you that exact same color combo that I just did on the other one. But I want you guys to see it by itself first, okay? Andrea. Might be Andrea, but I always go to Andrea. Okay, so chestnut. Okay. To me, this looks similar to Maria in the way that I kind of paired it with the lip liner and the lip gloss. So I don't personally see a big difference, but if I didn't put it in a lip combination, I saw the difference. So for the way that I wear it though, it looks pretty much the same. I'm going to zoom you out and let's talk about my final thoughts about this collection. Let's talk about this launch, starting with the lipsticks. I love the I Need a New lipstick formula, period. I have several of them. I love it. It's creamy. They're beautiful color variations of neutral lipsticks. So there's something there that's ranging from very light to very deep. And I just overall love this lipstick formulation. It's one of my favorites in my entire collection. So I'm happy to have some additions. Now, both of these colors are pretty light, and as you all saw in the demonstration, I would pair it in a lip combination. In the lip combo, it doesn't look that much different. So I would say for me, I need one or the other. They're both giving me the same vibe with how I would wear them. However, both of these colors are different enough to justify having both, especially if you plan on wearing them by themselves or letting them shine a little bit more than what I did. But if you want to let them shine, both of them are really nicely formulated and they are just super opaque and creamy and they feel good and they smell good. And I'm like, okay. And it's got a what? Magnetic top. This highlighter, I gotta take a minute and give it a little bit of a song recognition because she named it I Need a Nude Glow, and I just keep thinking about P. Diddy and Usher and Genuine and all of them. Like, I need a glow to fry. I need a glow to be my wife. I need a glow who's mine, oh mine. I need a glow in my life. Oh, that's the remix. Shout out to the throwbacks. But this highlighter is everything. It is stunning. It is smooth. It looks wet. It is an updated formulation, and so it's not glittery. It's not powdery. It's a nice powder gel formulation hybrid that just goes on so smoothly on the face, and I am 100% here for it. I love this highlighter. To me, this is one of her best formulated highlighters that she's come out with yet, and it's stunning. Now, you do have to work past the design, but once you get that going, beautiful, absolutely stunning product, and I love it. I'm so happy to have that in my collection. And lastly, this eyeshadow palette. Now, I will say I did get fallout with this eyeshadow palette from all of the shimmer shades with the exception of the silver. So boom and boom, they're a little bit fallout prone. They can get a bit crumbly, but as you all know, with shimmer shades, you can spray your brush and intensify them. You can also make them more foiled, which helps bind that eyeshadow together a little bit, and it helps reduce fallout. it wasn't bad enough for me to not enjoy this palette, which I did. So I love the palette. I think that it's super unique, and these colors pair very well with one another, and it's interesting to look at. These aren't colors that we've seen be done in a color story over and over again, and that's why I'm drawn to it. And I would love to see a full-size Zendo palette. And as you all know, these palettes are priced at a great price point, so I would say try it out, and it definitely can work for you if you have a deeper complexion. The only shade that's pretty light is this shade right here, and if you want to, you could just look at this as a lid shade, and I think it would be pretty there. But I loved all the colors. I think everything was just super cute, and I love this launch. I think that it's something a little bit different than what we're used to seeing for holidays, and I'm excited for that because I'm tired of getting the same thing over and over and over again just because it's the holiday season. Let me know if you all picked up these products down in the comments section. I look forward to reading what you guys have to say about everything, and I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super de-duper soon. Smooches. Bye.